I'm gonna work on this rear trunk spoiler. Got a couple rough spots in it. I'm gonna try to work out, but for the most part, I think he likes it. But I don't. I don't think he's happy about the screws that are here in the back that shows. So my attempt is to fill these spots in, and I've noticed that underneath it has two holes here that will fit on the trunk. I might use these to hold it in, depending on how much cutting I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna ask him about the old trunk if he still has that deck. But for the most part, I'm gonna use the 3M tape, and I'm gonna flush these out so they're not visible. All look, you won't see all these holes in the back. I think that's what he was trying to get rid of, or when he was telling me that he liked another one that he showed me, it was just one piece. It didn't have the holes. It was the whole trunk was one piece with the spoiler. So I'm gonna get some Bondo mixed up and see if I can't make this ejected. And my first attempt is just to fill these holes and see how level can I get them. After that, I'll come back and sand them down and perhaps put some fiberglass over them to see if that will make them even smoother. But I'm going to just put a glob of Bondo on them to start. And I'm thinking I probably may have used fabric. I'm just using what I have on hand. I'm going to see if I can't get it to work. Okay, at this point, they've had a chance to harden. As you see, I've got this side sanded down. And what I'm going to do, I don't think I'm going to need to put any fiberglass over it. I'll put another layer of Bondo over it and just sand it down once more, try to get it smooth as possible. But if anybody knows, I haven't seen any at Harbor Freight, but if you know where to get these discs from, just a 5-inch disc is from Hyper Tough. It's Harbor Freight. The last time I looked, they didn't have any of these replacements. If anybody know the where to get, if anyone can tell me where to pick up some of these, I would greatly appreciate it. Because it went out, so I'm having to do this by hand. But all I'm doing is just sanding those down, and smoothing these out. I'm not going to waste a lot of video time on this. It's just sanding down to as smooth as this. Once I get it that smooth, I'll come back and, like I said, put another little layer of Bondo over it. I'm going to sand the rest of the spoiler down, and we'll just take it from there. Okay, that's what I was saying. Just getting that smooth down. So from here, I'm just going to go across the whole spoiler and just knock off this rough paint so I can put a fresh paint. on. And after I get this all sanded down to my likings, I'm gonna come back and put one more bead of Bondo over these 6 spots and smooth it out, and we'll be ready for prime. Okay, I have sanded it down, 40, 60, 80. Some of them are pretty smooth, but then I have this one I can feel a dip in. So, and that one got a chunk out of it. So I'm gonna take a light coat, go over each one of these again just to make sure they're built up. And there's a couple little rough dings here. I know I want to sand it all down. I just rough sand the bottom side, clean it up, and make sure the 3M sticks to it. Paint the edges because they will be exposed whenever you lift the trunk. But other than that, that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and get these coated, filled in, and let it dry. All right, that's about all I'm gonna do for that. Got it sand down pretty good. Put this first coat of primer on. See how it's settling. Well enough alone. This here is how the ducktail for the Miata is coming along, and I've sanded down those areas to their smooth. I think I have most of the little defects out of them, the little bumps. I don't know if you can recall, there was a scratch right in there. Now you can see that it is smooth and filled. So on to the next phase with it. I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna spray one more coat of prime over it, and then it'll be ready for white prime. That's it. I have the holes filled in, smoothed out. She's painted, ready for application. I'm pretty much so done with this for the most part. I'll let it finish thoroughly drying and clean those smudges up. But that's it. Next is application.